Hello traders, welcome to FX Mentor US, and in this video you are going to learn about the best strategy that has more than a 98% success rate. Yes guys, we will talk about this strategy and we will prove that this indicator is very well and almost all signals given by the indicator is very well. So do not be confused with these buy and sell signals because we are not taking any signals blindly, okay? So we will be using the couple of indicators. The first indicator is attached on my screen. So before we start this video, if you want to join the best broker, the link is given in the description of this video below. Okay guys, so you can see that what I am using the 15-minute time frame, and right now I am on the gold chart. However, you can use this strategy on any currency pair of forex, gold. Even you can use this strategy in the crypto market and the other things that are supported on TradingView. You can simply use this strategy without any problem. Now I'm going to remove the indicator so that I can show you with the fresh charts. The first indicator that I am using is Forex Global Trend Signal, and you can see this is the new indicator and it has only 284 favorites right now. And please note that the author name is Rifster21, right? So if I attached on my chart, then it personally looks like this. Okay, so that's why the colors are not good, so that's why I am going into the settings of this indicator, and I am going that it is asking that above bar what color you want to use. So I am going to give it a yellow, the green color, and the second for the sell I am going to give it a red color, right? Okay, now I press OK. Now you can see the chart look very decent right now. Okay, the second indicator that we will be using is the moving average exponential, and now I'm going to the settings of the EMA, and then I am first of all giving it a yellow color, and then inside the inputs you can see a length of 9. I want to change it to 200, right? The setup is pretty ready to trade right now. Okay, now you can see that we have a very beautiful setup, right? Okay, now let's talk about the entry rules. Okay, so first of all, please note that below the 200 EMA, ignore the buy signals, take the sell signals. Above the 200 EMA, ignore the sell signals, take the buy signals. Okay, so I will talk with the proof right now. Like here we have a sell position, we have taken a sell position here, we have set up a stop loss at the previous low, previous high, sorry, and what we have targeted on this trade, if we look at here, we were easily able to catch 2.48 ratio from this trade on gold trading 15-minute. Okay, then again a short position, you can see sell here. I have set up the stop loss at the previous high of the market, and then look at here how much we have caught on this trade. If you look at here, we were easily able to catch 7.73 ratio on this trade, and right now you can see the buy signal is running. We are really not interested into it because I have told you about the EMA rules. Okay, so a long position on USD CHF above the EMA. So let's see where we have received the signal. Here we have received the long position order. Okay, so we have set up the stop loss at the previous low, and then we will be targeting, and you can see that easily on this trade you have cashed 2.14 ratio on this trade, right? Okay, similarly there will be some less ratios as well. For example, if we go here, that which candle, this candle has provided us with the buy position, so set up the stop loss here. Okay, so how much we got? Almost 1.12 ratio. Okay, now keep on ignoring sells. Okay, now you will see that this indicator is working like a magic, and it is giving us at least 98% success rate very easily. Look at here, I have set up it like this at the previous low. Now you can compare how much you made from this trade. Simply 3.48 ratio on the buy position. So guys, this indicator is very nice. Just attach it on your screen, and this will work like a magic on your screen. And trust me, the strategy is very good, because you can see even on Euro USD, the third chart I'm showing you right now, short position on this trade. Okay, we have taken a trade here. Okay, set up a stop loss like this. How much you made? Actually, if we go look, 1.94 ratio. Okay, So at next again short position on this trade. Okay, set up a stop loss at the previous high of the market, and then how much you have taken? Almost you have taken the 2.26 ratio. Now you will tell me that are the signals not working? No, they are actually working. So maybe might no one has tested this indicator, but I have tested this works really good, and sometimes you will be get a very good profit like 4.79 ratio as well. So this indicator is very perfect. Just join this indicator on TradingView. I have given you all details about this indicator, right? So just enjoy your trading. So what do you think about this indicator? If you like this indicator, please press the like button, subscribe FX Mentor US, and share this video with everyone. Thank you for watching this video.